channel. My name is MsTanMarie, and today I'm going to do a review and demo of the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. The color that I have is F13. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. And what I can say about it so far is that I like the applicator. It is a pump applicator. It can be worn up to 12 hours as the website said. I did purchase this from Ulta. It retails for $12.99. I think the color match is right on for my complexion, which is a plus with a drugstore foundation because you always have to test them out at the store. With this foundation, they did not have any testers, so I think I did a good color match, and they have a color match shade finder on their site. So if you want to see how this foundation applies, then continue to watch. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video.